Let's gather our supplies and embark on this exciting crafting journey together. Get ready to unleash your creativity and enjoy the process of making your own bath bombs. Before we begin, let's make sure we have all the necessary tools and ingredients at hand. This will make the process smooth and enjoyable. Don't worry, you won't need anything too fancy. Most of these items are probably already in your kitchen. Most of these items can be found right in your pantry or at your local grocery store. So, no need for a special trip to a specialty store. Here's a checklist of what we'll need. Make sure to tick off each item as we go along. Baking soda. This is the key ingredient that creates the delightful fizz. It's the foundation of our bath bomb. Citric acid. We need this to react with the baking soda and create those lovely bubbles. It's what makes the bath bomb come to life. Cornstarch. This will help our bath bombs bind together and create a smoother texture. It also helps to slow down the reaction, making the fizz last longer. Epsom salt. Known for its soothing properties, Epsom salt is a wonderful addition to any bath bomb. It helps to relax muscles and soften the skin. Water. A little bit of water will help bind all the ingredients together. Be careful not to add too much, as it can start the fizzing reaction prematurely. Essential oils. These are optional, but a few drops of your favorite essential oil will add a beautiful aroma to your bath bombs. Choose scents that you find relaxing or invigorating. Food coloring. Let's add a pop of color. Feel free to experiment with different shades. This is where you can get creative and make your bath bombs visually appealing. A whisk. For mixing all our dry ingredients together. It's important to mix thoroughly to ensure an even distribution of all components. A spray bottle. We'll use this to gradually add water to our mixture. This helps to control the amount of moisture and prevent the mixture from fizzing too soon. Molds. You can get creative with this. Silicone molds, muffin tins, or even ice cube trays will work perfectly. The shape and size of your bath bombs are entirely up to you. Now that we have everything we need, let's move on to the fun part. Mixing. This is where the magic happens, and you'll see your bath bombs start to take shape. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup of baking soda, half a cup of citric acid, and half a cup of cornstarch. Gently whisk these dry ingredients together until they are thoroughly combined and there are no lumps. This mixture will form the base of our bath bombs. It's important to make sure everything is evenly distributed for a consistent fizz and texture. Take your time and enjoy the process. Now let's add our liquid ingredients. In a separate bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of water with 1 tablespoon of your chosen essential oil. If you're using food coloring, add a few drops to the mixture as well. Remember, a little goes a long way with both essential oils and food coloring. It's always easier to add more if needed. Pour the liquid mixture into a spray bottle. This will give us more control over how much liquid we add to the dry ingredients. Here comes the exciting part. We're about to dive into the fun and creative process of making your very own bath bombs. Gently spray the liquid mixture into the bowl of dry ingredients while mixing continuously. This ensures that the ingredients are evenly combined. It's crucial to add the liquid gradually, a little at a time, to prevent the mixture from fizzing prematurely. This step is key to achieving the perfect consistency. The mixture is ready when it holds its shape when squeezed in your hand. It should feel firm, but not too wet. It should feel like wet sand. This texture is perfect for molding and ensures that your bath bombs will hold together. If it's too dry, add a little more liquid. Be cautious and add just a few drops at a time to avoid overwetting the mixture. If it's too wet, add a bit more baking soda. This will help to balance the moisture and bring the mixture back to the right consistency. Now tightly pack the mixture into your chosen molds. Press firmly to ensure there are no gaps or air pockets. You can get creative here and add dried flowers, herbs, or even glitter to the tops of your bath bombs for a decorative touch. This adds a personal flair to your creations. Once filled, gently tap the molds on the counter to release any air bubbles. This step helps to ensure that your bath bombs are solid and smooth. Leave the bath bombs to dry for at least 24 hours in a cool, dry place. Patience is key here to allow them to harden properly. Once they are completely dry, gently remove them from the molds. Handle them with care to avoid any cracks or breaks. Congratulations! You've just created your very own luxurious bath bombs. Enjoy the satisfaction of your handmade spa treats. Store them in an airtight container in a cool, dry place until you're ready to enjoy their fizzy goodness. Proper storage will keep them fresh and effective.